Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I am creating some quick and easy combinations today. We have these sitting out front of the garden center, and what we're using is our Crescent Self Watering planters. So these planters here will water for up to 3 weeks without us needing to do any refilling. Depending on what type of plants, it might be 2 weeks, but we have gone up to 3 weeks without needing to refill the water reservoirs on these Crescent planters. What I have here is I found a palm, and I'm going to use this as my thriller in this combination. And I'm going the quick and easy route. I am using the flower pillows that Proven Winners sells, and it's basically a combination of 5 different plants. They come in this little plastic container. So all I'm going to do is cut the twist or the zip tie off, like so. Pop it out of this plastic container. It's really rooted good. And basically it's in kind of like a tea bag type of a thing. And I'm just gonna take this, notice I'm not ruffling it or doing anything, I'm just taking it and setting it right here in the soil. I'm gonna kind of dig it down just a little bit, put the soil around it, and I'm just gonna go all the way around this container until it's full, and it's gonna be ready to just be beautiful all summer long. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.